Forwarding incoming emails automatically ensures that relevant messages reach the right people without manual intervention. Here's how you can set up this automation in ZenInbox. Go to the Automation tab and click on Create Workflow to start. Provide a name and a brief description for your workflow, such as forward shared mailbox emails. Once done, click Continue. Set the trigger to Incoming Mails. This ensures that the workflow activates whenever a new email arrives. In the Logic section, select Mailbox-based conditions. For example, choose shared mailboxes or specific labels that categorize the emails you want to forward. This allows you to define the criteria for forwarding emails. Move to the Action section and select Forward to. Specify the email address or addresses where the emails should be forwarded. This ensures the right recipients get the messages promptly. Save the workflow settings and click Create Workflow. Your automation is now live, and incoming emails meeting the specified conditions will be forwarded to the designated recipients automatically. To verify, check the inbox of the forwarded email address or test the workflow by sending an email to the specified mailbox. Ensure that the emails are being forwarded as intended. Set up your Forward Incoming Mails workflow in ZenInbox today and streamline email collaboration effortlessly.